What's up, y'all? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video, man. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones and I specialize in helping you make an extra income, and I appreciate you guys. I love you guys, and I know for a fact that we're going to do everything we freaking plan to do today, man. We get 1% better. I don't care if you're watching this at night, in the evening, in the afternoon, in the morning. I don't care if right now you are in a down period of your life. I don't care if you're at the highest peak of your life. This is the video you need to watch, because I'm going to tell you how to make phone flipping work for you if you're part-time. Now, what I mean by part-time is somebody that has a job, somebody that got other things going on and can't just focus 100% solely on phone flipping. Listen, you can still get it done, okay? Now, I will tell you something, okay? One thing about me is I was somebody, and currently somebody, that has a lot of things going on other than phone flipping, but I still get it done. And I get it done doing these techniques, and I'm going to share them with you. But I want to give you a little background on me and how I flip phones and still have to manage things all around me, okay? Prime example, I have a family, right? I have a family, I have kids. I have things that I have to do when I wake up in the morning. I wake up every day at 5:30. Okay, 5:30 is a treacherous time for me to be waking up. I will tell you that, okay? And the reason why I say it's treacherous, guys, is because it sucks. It sucks. It makes it very inconvenient for me, because that means I gotta go to bed early. But I may not be able to go to bed early because I got calls booked until 11 p.m. So then, okay, let's say the call's booked until 11 p.m. Then let's say I get 1 hour to sit down and watch a TV show until 12 a.m. All right, cool. Watch the TV till 12 a.m. Now I only got 1, 2, 3, 4. I only got 4 hours until I really gotta get up. You know what I mean? So, and I got an hour and a half to try to fall asleep. So the reason I'm telling you guys this is because understand that nobody feels sad for you, okay? If you're somebody that has a lot of things going on and you got a phone flip or you got to make a way to make extra money, I don't feel sad for you. Stop feeling sad for yourself, okay? I don't care how much you got going on. I don't care how many girls you got that you got to pamper to, or how many kids you got. I don't care about how many different hours and jobs you have. I do not care. Let's make that clear and make it really, really, really imperative for you to understand that to watch this video and to understand these points I'm about to give you, you have to leave the victim mentality and you have to come with solutions, okay? You have to understand that our minds have to create these problem-solving momentum movements or strategies that are going to propel us into being actually what we want to be, right? So I want you guys to first envision yourself phone flipping in the situation you're in currently. Understand it can be done. There's no way in heck that you cannot get it done. If I do, or if Carlos does, if Natasha is, if Paris is, if Gabriel is, if Nyla is, if whoever is, right? So let me say this. Number one, the first thing you need to do if you're trying to do this is get information. And you're on the right track, okay? My name is Brandon, of course, and guess what? I have a website called I'm Hustler's Mindset that has courses on there, phone flipping academy course on there, product flipping course on there. I have a book call button so you can book calls. I have the phone flipping price list, the buyer's price list. You pay one price, $60 one time, and you have this price list for the duration of your life, where you can actually see exactly what the market value is for devices. I have all of that, okay? But it ain't just me. There's other phone flippers out there that got a whole bunch of different stuff too. It's a lot of information around you. So yes, you have to get that information. Getting that information is what's going to propel you into actually not only being motivated, but also getting the job done. All right? So now the next thing you need to do is get money. All right? You got to get money. You got to get the money. Now, when it comes to you getting the money, that is going to be a point to where you have to understand your life, right? Obviously, if you have things going on outside of phone flipping, you should have some type of income coming in before you're even doing any research on any type of business, because it takes money to make money. So I wouldn't really expect you to not be getting money, but I don't care. I don't care if you're getting a $200 check every month. No matter what, you need to get some type of money, okay? Some type of money got to be got, all right? And I hope you understand it. Okay, because you're going to have to invest in your business. This is an investing business. It's not a, oh my God, I just flipped this phone and didn't spend nothing business. Now you can do it I'll cover that on other videos, but we're talking about how can you get started part-time, and this is going to be the fastest way. You got to get some type of budget. I don't care if your budget's $50, get a budget, okay? In your head, I need you to know what the budget is. I don't need you to be thinking about, oh my God, I got to do this, or I got to pay that. I need you to think of a budget, okay? Think of the budget, okay? Spend all your rent money, okay? Regardless, this budget is going to have to work, okay? Don't spend your rent money, I'm just joking. But no matter what, it gotta be able to be something, all right? Some type of money, okay? Now, after you get the money, you're going to get help. Now, you might be like, oh, Brandon, what do you mean? Okay, I can't hire employees now. All right, let me tell you something. Even me, I had help. Even me, I had help. When I first started flipping phones, I had help. And having help is literally the only way you can do this part-time. Because you gotta be able to have eyes at work when you're at work. And the way you incentivize people to do this is literally by understanding you might have to split profit or cut profit, give somebody 20% or whatever, but get your nephew, get your son, get your daughter, get your girl, get your friends, have them make offers on offer while you're at work. Hey, listen, whatever you find, I give you 20%. They want to look because they want to make some money too. But make sure you're getting help, because the more eyes you have on your side, the better. You gotta make sure that you understand you can't do this all by yourself. Okay, because you already got a lot of stuff going on. You gotta make sure you have help, because help is gonna help you propel yourself into making this work, okay? Now, the next thing is you gotta build profit, not expense. So you got that help, you're making a little money. Now you can't be sitting there spending the money that you make. You can't. You gotta sit on that money for a while, and if you're not sitting on the money, that money need to be being spent somewhere else to get some more phones. You cannot be spending the money on toys, games, computers, phones that you're using for yourself. They all only gotta be phones that are used to make more money. The money you make gotta go work back for you to make more money. That's the point, because you're part-time, so we don't got a lot of time to waste. We don't got a lot of time to waste, so you got to make sure that every dime is working for you. Every dime needs to be invested back into the business, okay? Until you're at a comfortable point to where you have residuals coming in. People just coming in and saying, hey, I got a phone, I got a phone, I got a phone. That's when you can start spending money. If you don't have nobody telling you they got a phone, you need to stop spending that money. You got to, okay? Because it's going to be a waste of time. It's going to be a waste of time. And last but not least, repeat, okay? Keep saving your money. Just keep saving your money. Keep making a budget. Keep saving your money. Keep getting help. This is how you can actually start making money being a part-time seller, okay? Part-time flipping is possible. And part-time flipping is when you're literally, you're putting what, like 3 hours, 4 hours a day into phone flipping. But it still will generate you money. You just got to understand that all the profits won't be yours. And that's number one, because you're going to share with people. But two, you're going to have to not be spending your profit. You're going to have to use that work check or whatever you're doing right now for money. But it can be done. So stop talking and stop making excuses. Stop being a victim. Stop thinking you can't do it. You can do it, but you're the only person in your own damn way. I'm telling you guys. So make this stuff happen. I ain't going to do no more talking. I know you guys got this, and I'll see you guys at the top. Peace.